This video is sponsored by Ghosttech's new Rapture headphones. For more information, make sure you check down below in the description or stay tuned till after the video. CES 2018 had a lot of amazing smart home products, so I want to tell you guys about 3 of my favorite items I saw on the floor. The first one, believe it or not, was from Nokia, and it was called the Nokia Sleep. The Nokia Sleep is a small pad that you place under the sheets of your bed. I was told the correct position would be right around the center of your back. From that point on, the sensors will track all of your sleeping habits, including your sleep cycles, heart rate, and snoring. It will then relay all of the information to the Nokia Health app, and using Nokia's advanced algorithms, give you a sleep score plus ways to improve it. If that's not enough for you, the Nokia Sleep will also connect with If This and That, giving you the ability to set the temperature, lighting, and other smart home actions just by getting in and out of bed. Next up, I swung by the Sobro booth and checked out what was essentially a smart coffee table. They had 2 different models there, including one that had a black tempered glass with a white base, and the other had a black tempered glass with a walnut base. The cosmetics were on point, but what makes these special is they feature enormous Bluetooth speakers, 420-volt wall outlets, a touch control panel, LED lighting on the bottom, and 2 storage drawers. If none of that has your attention, maybe the built-in refrigerator will win you over like it did me. Sobro also featured a 3D pancake maker, which is amazing. Basically, you can send it any picture you want, including a selfie, and it's going to print out a pancake exactly like it. Finally, I visited the Todo booth and was not only blown away by their insane tech, but also their pricing. This is their new smart toilet that literally shits on the competition. This $11,000 toilet not only open when you approach it, it will heat up the seat, clean and dry your bottom, and then clean itself. It has a built-in UV light that just triggers the compound that Todo has implemented into their toilet, which starts a cleaning process on a molecular level. They also have a cheaper variation in this toilet, which only cost $7,000. While I was there, I noticed they had a bathtub on display that was modeled after the way astronauts sleep, with circular jet massagers, a built-in pillow with a flowing stream that goes over your shoulders to keep you relaxed, and LED lighting. Well guys, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed the CES coverage, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, turn on notifications so you can be alerted when new videos drop, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so for more 2018 CES coverage.